Okay, it's Dust Daddy, not the Daddy Duster. I seen on TV. I wanted it to be called the Daddy Duster because I was going to get my husband to do it and say, you have to dust. I seen on TV. Picks up dust like no other. Okay. I'm just going to rip it open. We've had this thing sitting around here for about a month. I've been wanting to do a video, but we haven't. There's some instructions here. And
instructions, what's that?
I have no idea.
Instructions? Who needs the
instructions? What's the theory on this thing?
It dusts between like little things, like crevices and stuff.
It's basically a attachment for your vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, I guess this is another thing, like you need a smaller attachment. I'm just guessing. Alright, so I'm going to go over to my vacuum cleaner. Right over?
Yeah.
Okay. So I want you to look at all this dust right here. I just sprayed him, so it might be a little wet. Because if you look at him, it looks all brown on his fur or feathers.
Mm-hmm.
And usually it doesn't look like that.
Will it pick up big seeds like that?
I don't think it's going to pick up the big seeds. I might have to do that with my vacuum cleaner, but I think the dogs are going to try to eat them. I think it will pick up the feathers. This is the, I love this vacuum, the Shark. It's fantastic. I didn't do a review on this vacuum, but it's great. Love it. Okay, so I'm going to try to attach it. This is the Genie wand. I'm going to unwand. And I'm going to see if it fits. And it don't fit. So there's, one of those attachments. I didn't read the directions, so you might want to pause. You have to read the directions. All you have to do is kind of like look at the fitting and see how it's fit. So this is like fits right into that little groove right there, the little black piece. This is still all the Daddy Duster. This is not my vacuum. That still doesn't fit. So it's got this little plastic thing right here. So you're going to stick that on there. And then just fit it over your vacuum.
Charlie buddy, he's opening his mouth.
Whatever. I'll put it on his face. Bastard. Alright, here, Paul. Fit this thing over the fitting, which was, you have to be pretty strong to do. And I'm fixing to turn it on. It's going to be loud. So, you ready to go? Here. I'll turn the roller off. This is really, like, I have sprayed this in water so many times, and I can't guarantee you that yeah, I mean, this stuff right here is, like, wet. Like, I have sprayed him, and it's wet, so.
So it's not dust.
Look at BB. Oh, my God. Look at her. She's so cute. All right, here, hold on. Let me get over here.
A mess.
I wouldn't go by this. I'll do more demonstrations.
I think it's too big. No, it's too big. You probably just stick the vacuum in down there. I think this is...
These are too big?
Yeah, I think that's how you use it.
I'm going to get trouble with it. He needs his feathers back, you know.
Yeah, I remember that.
I think it's helping. Oh, no.
Looks like it's all clogged up already.
Like a wet bird. See the picture right here.
I think they're trying to use it like a vacuum cleaner when it's for dust.
Okay.
Yeah, it's getting everything clogged up in there because you're using it like a vacuum
How do you
cleaner.
get the stuff to come out now?
I don't know. Because you did it the wrong way, it sucked up a bunch of bird seed and got clogged.
Yeah, a lot of dust, and we look through here. You can look through it, and you can tell like the holes were clogged up. So we took our air compressor and blew the dust out of the holes.
You gotta give it a fair shake.
Yeah.
Because it wasn't working.
Yeah, I made a mistake. In fact, I even see like I think there's a bird seed still stuck in there. Let me try again. And this is no fault of the manufacturer or anything. You're not supposed to probably put it in bird seed.
Yeah.
That was my mistake. So
like a real vacuum.
yeah, don't judge it by that. All right, as you can see, or maybe you can't see, I've got all the dust out of and bird seeds out of the tubes. And if you look down in it, it's clear now, except for like some dust. So do not use this on bird cages.
Should have been. It was probably in the instructions.
We'll take a little less than half a pea size of Vaseline. I'm going to put it around this right here because I can't get it to go on here very easily. Earlier, my husband manhandled it and was able to get it on there, but I think I need to like put something on there, make it get on there better. Or maybe not. Oh, there it goes. There we go. Okay, so we got it on there with my weak little woman hands. And I'm going to turn it on. I already did this right here. Here, let's look behind this. That's really not that bad. I know, right? I think I could do like better with a wet rag. Okay. All right. Wait a minute. I got the rag.
All right, let's try it.
TV dust. I'm gonna try it out.
I can't really differentiate, but I can see the dust down there a little bit. Wow. There it is. Spreading a lot of stuff around.
Yeah, I see this is some dust right here. Well, this is a pain in the ass. Hold on. All right.
I'm not very impressed with it.
Okay, I'm about ready to stop.
Okay.
Oh my god. Look at the vacuum cleaner. All
Looks
right.
like it gets plugged up a lot, especially if we have a lot of dust.
Okay, so this is the Dust Daddy.
Yeah.
I'm not very impressed. Honest review. I would take it back if I hadn't had it sitting around the house for like 3 months. So
well, there's little
a
dusting
Swiffer
Swiffers.
Or a wet rag. And
Yeah.
just, yeah.
Probably do better. Mm-hmm. I had the big, big vacuum.
But Charlie, the bird, I mean, that's a big dust problem right there.
Mm-hmm.
And I might even keep this for just whatever reason, just like mess with him. Just mess with him. Like poke it in with it. Because it could maybe suck up because he won't let me touch him. So maybe I can just stick it. Well, I'll let him tear it up because I ain't got no other use for it. I can suck his undergrowth feathers with it.
That sounds gross.
All right, well, whatever. You got a parrot that don't want you to touch him?
Moon Pals out. Like, subscribe, comment, share.